Good morning, class. So I actually got off of a Google Meet with one of your peers that was asking for tutoring on Delta Math, and I'm really glad that they asked this question because I decided to make a short video to explain this. This is your Delta Math Unit 1 Transformations number 2. And I'm going to show how you do these type of problems that you see here on your screen. So it says reflect the figure over the line y equals negative x plus 1. So I can see why some may be stumbling or struggling with this, because we were used to reflecting it over the line y equals x, where it was through the origin like this, and we would count left and then bounce, count down. Or if I counted boxes down, I would then bounce and count left. Now, with this, they just moved that line up. It's still a linear function, slope-intercept form. So let me show you how this works. And I will also show you how to measure an angle with a protractor for, I believe it was unit 2, similarity, congruence, and proofs. So here, if I look at this point, and I'm going to count how many boxes it is to this line of reflection. You could go either way. I'm going to show both ways. So here I see, okay, this is 0. That's where I'm starting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went 4 to the left. Now I'm going to bounce down 1. This is 0 now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my new point. If you had chosen to count down, so here's my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I now bounce and I'm going to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I get there either way. Okay? And I'm going to do that for each of these. So this is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to the left. So now I'm going to start here at 0 and bounce down 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's my next point. So I have these two finished. Let's look at this vertice. I'm going to go to, I'll keep doing the same pattern. I've been going left then down. You can go down then, did I say that right? Yes, you can go down then left. You'll get there too. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to bounce down 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now if I connect my lines, remember which, or well, it'll connect it for you as you do it though in this one. So there it is. I have now reflected or mirrored over this diagonal line. All right, it's going to be a yellow dot, and you're going to count and then bounce the other way and place your point, and it'll put the dot there. You'll do the next one, place a point, it'll put a dot there, and so on. Now, if you do these first 3 dots here, it might form a triangle on you, but once you do this last vertice, it'll then turn that triangle into this picture. Okay? So that is that. Now, I am going to talk about how you measure an angle. Now, I know it's digitally, but I'm going to show you using mine. So on your Delta Math, this dot right here, I believe, is blue or purple. You're going to put that dot. You can put it line up your dot. You see how there's this, for me, I have this line right here as a guideline from my starting center point. I'm going to put the circle on my vertex, and I chose to line it this way because that way I'm starting at 0 degrees, and then I see it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This one is 61 to 63 degrees. 63, well actually, I drew mine kind of thick because of my pen, but 63 or 64 degrees, okay? And keep in mind, right here, this longer line in between, for me, I'm looking at 70 to 80. That longer line is saying this that is 75, 80, 85, 90. And these little tick marks are 1 degrees. Each are 1 degree. Okay? So I found that this is about 63 degrees. Now on your Delta Math, it'll be more precise to where you can count and tell what exact degree it's on. But since I'm using this thick marker, my Expo, it's a little hard for me to read it. But on your Delta Math program, count carefully. There will be an exact answer to put down. Okay. Now, if you chose to maybe put this bluish purple point of your protractor this way, and I lined it up this way, see how I lined it with the other ray? I would then count here 10, I'll do it like this, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, not 65, but it's bordering on 63, 64. Notice either way I align it, I still get the same degree. Okay? I hope that helps. Some of you might notice that in transformations number 2, your grades might have jumped up because I did get rid of 2 skills. And you have a peer to thank for that, but I'm going to keep it confidential. But I'm very proud of that person for asking for help on Google Meets and wanting tutorial sessions to help them through Delta Math. You can do the same. Let me know and I will help you through a problem or two so you can get the understanding of it and look at another skill. Okay? So please keep in touch with me. Don't feel like I'm just giving you busy work. I'm actually trying to have you review Unit 1 through 4, what we've done all year, before we move on to Unit 6 after spring break about probability. Okay? There is a reason behind why I'm doing this, and I want to make sure. And now you're probably noticing the importance of your interactive notebook. Maybe you should have kept it organized like I kept telling you all. I've tried putting links of YouTube videos. Otherwise, you can search for YouTube videos on those keywords you're looking for. Okay? Just bear with us. We're all getting stressed with these times. Do your best. Contact me if you have a question. I can't emphasize it enough. Please contact me if you need anything, if you need help, if you want just to talk for 10-15 minutes on Google Meets face-to-face to help out with the skill. I'm here. I am here for you. May not feel like it, but I am. I am at my computer working, honestly, from sometimes 8 until 5. Okay? So please contact if you need me. I miss y'all. I love you all. It's sad we won't see each other the rest of the school year, but we'll see each other virtually when we do Google Meets. And otherwise, do not be a stranger and stop by next school year. All right, everybody. Take care. We'll talk soon.